Low prices came at a cost, hollowed out towns, closed factories, crushed wages, and most people never saw it happening.
This is the story of how one company didn't just sell products, it reshaped America's economy. Not through politics, not through conspiracy, but through incentives, and the system rewarded it.
Most people believe lower prices are always good. Cheaper goods mean families save money. Stores compete.
Consumers win. That's the simple story. But what if those savings came from somewhere else? What if low prices didn't eliminate costs, they just moved them? Walmart built its empire on one core idea: scale. Buy in massive volume. Negotiate aggressively. Cut supplier margins to the bone. If a supplier couldn't match the price, someone else would. Over time, that pressure reshaped supply chains.
American manufacturers faced a choice: lower costs dramatically or lose shelf space. Lower costs meant cutting labor, automating or outsourcing, and outsourcing led overseas, especially to China, where wages were lower and regulations lighter. The system didn't force this shift, it incentivized it. Walmart didn't wake up planning to hollow out towns. It optimized for lower prices. Lower prices increased market share. Higher market share increased bargaining power, and greater bargaining power meant even lower supplier costs. This created a feedback loop, a powerful one. Each round of cost reduction pushed production further away from American factories. Charts from the 1990s and early 2000s show a sharp rise in imports from China. At the same time, U.S. manufacturing employment steadily declined. Correlation isn't always causation, but incentives matter, and the incentives were clear. When factories close, it isn't just a building that disappears. It's middle-class wages, local tax revenue. Community stability. Manufacturing jobs historically paid more than retail jobs. When those jobs vanish, wages compress. Economic power shifts. The savings consumers gained at checkout were real, but so were the losses in wage growth and local opportunity. The cost was redistributed, not erased. This wasn't just Walmart. It was the logic of modern retail. Globalization rewarded efficiency. Technology rewarded scale. Capital markets rewarded profit margins. Walmart simply executed the model better than anyone else. And once the system proved profitable, others followed. The structure amplified itself. That's how systems reshape economies. Not overnight, but over decades. The Walmart effect isn't about villains. It's about incentives. When low prices become the ultimate goal, everything else adjusts around them. Manufacturing moves. Wages adapt. Communities transform. Consumers win in one dimension, but the economy shifts in another. Understanding that trade-off is the first step toward understanding how modern capitalism actually works. Because systems don't need bad intentions, they just follow the math. Thanks for watching and listening. Take care and see you in next video.